In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Canva. If you spend a lot of time designing, switching to dark mode can really help reduce eye strain and make your workspace feel more comfortable, especially in low light environments. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to turn on dark mode inside Canva, and I'll also point out a few useful tips along the way so you know exactly what's happening on your screen. First, open Canva in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main Canva homepage or inside any design, look towards the lower left corner of your screen. You should see a small circular icon that represents your profile. This is usually the place where Canva groups together your account-related settings and preferences. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. When you do, a small menu or side panel will appear. This panel can include things like your account information, settings, and various customization options. Take a moment to let it load fully so you can see all the available choices. In this menu, look for an option labeled Theme. This is the section where Canva lets you control how the interface looks, including whether you want to use light mode, dark mode, or in some cases, a system-based appearance. Once you have located the theme option, click on it. After clicking on Theme, Canva will show you the appearance settings for your account. Here, you should see an option for dark mode, sometimes listed simply as dark, alongside light. Select the dark option, and within a second or two, you'll notice the entire interface shift to a darker color scheme. The background, menus, and toolbars will all adopt deeper tones, while the icons and text remain clear and readable. Give yourself a few moments to scroll around and check how your dashboard and any open designs look in dark mode. If you ever feel that dark mode isn't right for your current environment, you can repeat the same steps and switch back to light mode at any time by returning to the theme section and choosing the light option. That's all you need to do to enable dark mode in Canva. Click the profile icon at the bottom left, open the theme section, and select the dark appearance. Once you've done that, enjoy a more